Hi, I was asked the question, how can we remind the PIs and send them the link to complete their PCARs? So I'm going to go over that today. Right now, this is my account and I'm actually a member of the University of Delaware's team. So you log into MFP, you go to the project management module, and again, you can click the waffle button and go to project management. And first you want to just see the published cruises. So we go here and we say, okay, I just want to see my cruise project management for, at this point, University of Delaware, because I'm a member of their team. And so now we see all the different cruises that are published, projects that are published on the SHARP schedule. And if this person here, Blake Landry, you can see complete post-cruise assessment is still green, that means it's not completed. So let's send that person a reminder. So we can open the workflow here, go to complete post-cruise assessment, say open, and then come up to the address bar up top, highlight that whole address, Control C for copy, and then you want to paste that into an email and send it to the PI. We could also set up multiple notifications, which I'm happy to help you do. Just give me a shout. All right, that's it for now.